Hello guys, so I've been upgrading my backyard and I was about to give up about solar lights, but I found this one, and after a long time with headaches, changing, replacing solar lights, I found this one. As you can see, it comes with this huge solar panel, and this is my LED strips. So let's go ahead and install it and give it a try and see what happens. It comes with this, and you can mount it on a wall or this base. I'm going to use in this base. Basically, we need to put it in here. It's easy setup. So this is basically book and play. Stick it blue, so that means it's charging. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in here. So as I mentioned, you can install this on a wall like this, but I prefer here on the ground. It's easier setup. And now let's bring the strips and connect it in here. I want to use it here on my umbrella. My solar strips are ready, and I can wait to the night to see the results. Okay guys, we have the update. Look at my all LEDs lights. Look how they are, very dim and poor. However, look at my strip. I'm gonna turn off my other light so you can see how bright it is. Look at this. I love it. This is very solid. They are not the traditional soft and cheap looking LED strips. Here is the solar panel. So tomorrow in the morning, as soon as the daylight comes up, it will turn off the lights. And it has different modes. I just discovered it has different modes. And you can press it and they can flash. You can see, up to you. So this is a 10 out of 10. It will make my nights kind of different. So love it.